Hello everyone and welcome to the Top Foreign channel. Getting paid on YouTube while watching those free videos is as easy as signing up with this tool, clicking on a video, and watching it until the end. I know many of us watch YouTube videos every day, and I am one of them myself, but recently I discovered a way to get paid for watching those free videos. Here are some examples of how this site pays people around the globe. Now I am curious about what country you guys are watching from right now before we continue on with the video. Leave a comment below informing me as to what country you guys are watching from so that I know where my viewers are from. Additionally, they accept a number of payment methods, including PayPal, WebMoney, ZRDM, Perfect Money, AppyPay, and even bank transfers. Let me remind you guys that before we get started with this video, I want you to pay close attention to every single second of it because I will give you some bonus tips and tricks to possibly double or even triple your online income. The first step is to visit YouTube and search for keywords within the niche. For example, a popular keyword for a gaming niche is Valorant, Among Us, or Minecraft. The keyword you use can be anything that is popular, so you could simply search for something like Valorant and hit enter. You guys are going to want to keep this tab open for now since we're going to go over to a different website and sign up for a free tool that's called Shrink.io, and this is what we're going to use to make money simply by watching YouTube videos. I'll walk you through the process in detail. Now you guys just need to go over to Shrink.io and create a free account by clicking on the register button here right now. But if you're still wondering what this website is, well, Shrink.me is a shortening service. Basically, you can take any URL on the web and paste it right here. They will shorten it for you, and every time someone clicks on a shortened link connected to your account, you'll get paid. Hence, you'll make $20 per 10,000 clicks or $2.20 for every 100 clicks, as you can see here. Now let me show you how it works and just how you can start earning money from watching YouTube videos. I will explain why we are using Shrink.io. The reason why Shrink.io is better than other link-containing services is that it has a low minimum payout of only $5, so it is not that difficult to reach $5, and you can do it in just a few minutes, and you can then withdraw money directly into your PayPal account or any other payment method you prefer. If you have any preference about payment methods, please let me know down below. I personally prefer PayPal because it works worldwide. It is very easy to use, but let me know your favorite payment method in the comments section down below, along with the reasons you like that specific method. As I mentioned earlier, the first thing you want to do on this website is to register to create a free account. If you choose to link your Google or email account, you will be taken to a different web page where you will be able to create a free account. Then you click on Register Now after entering your username, email, password, and re-entering your password to ensure you are not a robot, confirming you understand the terms of use, and agreeing to the privacy and terms of use. For a quick suggestion right here, you can create a new dummy email account in order to register on this website. This is because some websites tend to send you promotional material via email. These promotional materials might flood your email account and you may miss some important emails because of them. Whenever I get a free account, I use a dummy email, and I suggest you do too. Here's what your dashboard will look like once you have your account. Here you can see all of your views, and this is your dashboard. Here on the left-hand side, you'll be able to withdraw your money based on the total earnings you'll make from those YouTube videos. Now, the reason I searched for Valorant is that it is one of the hottest shooter games released by Riot, and it is currently trending because it was just released a few months ago. Since they just held their first LAN tournament, this game is currently at its most popular. In this category, their popularity is expected to continue to grow, so it won't be difficult to make money in this category. So here is an example video I'll be opening so that you can watch the entire video and decide if it is an interesting one or if it's just an advertisement. You can relax and take your time to decide if this is an effective video, and I'll show you how Shrink.me will pay you for doing that, so keep watching the video, and once you're done, in order to shorten the video, you need to copy the video URL. To shorten the video, click the button next to the video that says New Shorten link on your Shrink dashboard, and then click the Shorten button. Click on this and a new box will appear where you can paste the link to your YouTube channel, then click on Shorten. The shortened link you receive will take people to the YouTube video you chose earlier, but every time someone clicks on the link, you get paid again and again, and you will see exactly how that will work for you. You should go ahead and copy your link and head over to another website that will automatically deposit money into your PayPal account for you. Let me tell you something before we move forward with this video. In order to help you guys learn how to generate a stream of income online into your PayPal account, this channel will post more videos online. In order to ensure that these videos work, I put a lot of effort into making them. If you could subscribe and hit the notification button, and don't forget to like and leave a comment, then let's move on to the video. We're going to use the website Forums, PCGamer.com. You can set up everything on autopilot at Forums, PC Gamer, so you just watch the videos and head to the website to start getting paid every single day like these people here. This is real proof of payments on the website, so people around the world are getting paid every single day, and it is totally legit. Forums, PCGamer.com is a forum for gamers from all over the world to discuss gaming issues. The reason we are using this forum in particular is because this website is already visited by more than 20 million people every month. As a result, there are more than 20 million users on this website every month, so we can get a lot of clicks from this website, which means we can make lots of money. The reason we watch only popular YouTube topics and keywords is that we want to get more clicks. Consequently, the more popular the videos you watch, the more money you will make. So you want to go to this site and search for your keyword. In our case, it will be Valorant. Now you're going to see a bunch of posts related to it. A lot of people are attracted to the game because people are posting about it every single day on this forum. How can we attract people from this forum to click on our? If you just post something trending about Valorant, like some news or updates, then you can leave a link to the video in your post. You can go to Google and search for Valorant news. If you scroll down and see this article, which contains an update or something breaking about Valorant, then you can just copy this article and paste it into your browser. After pasting the article on a Google document, you can include a shortened URL link below it. Once you have completed these steps, you can copy the entire article and proceed to Forums, PCGamer.com to create a new post. This post will be read by PC gamers worldwide, and they will become interested in the breaking news or updates about the game. Consequently, they will click on your video. In a similar manner to using the WordTune tool, you can earn a significant amount of money from the visitors who click on your link. All you need to do is search for interesting videos on YouTube, look for relevant articles on Google, and share them on Forums, PCGamer.com. By doing so, you can expect your PayPal account to accumulate funds rapidly. This concludes the video. Before we finish, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell to stay updated on new content. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment below. I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.